found what we were looking for, so we're opening up a few more boxes. So in here you can see there's the top half of a shirt with just the collar and a little bit coming down. I use that to wrap around one of the necks of the grim grinning ghosts. This is my tombstone that I based on one of Disneyland's tombstones. Oh, these are some of my very first decorations. Here's another one. See, sometimes you get these little plastic hooks that are hanging on things that you buy at the shops, like little decoration things. I keep them and use them as hooks to hang things in the trees, and it is, you know, it's a colour that's not very noticeable, so that's a good one to use. And I tie some fishing line off it and attach it to the hanger on the bat. Some more of these gauzy looking shawls. These are my witch's hands. These are just glittery dress up gloves. I've filled them with pillow stuffing and I've just drawn them together with a safety pin. So I've got two of them, and here's a one of those fake rings that looks pretty good. And when I'm dressing up my witch, I just basically have a piece of wire that I wrap around the back of the witch, and the wire slips into the glove, and I just sort of like turn it on its side like that, so she looks like she's reaching out for something. This is the only skeleton I've got. I think they're meant for popping into the ground, make it look like they're coming out of the ground. And of course there's a skull that goes with it, but I've got no legs, no torso. I use them on a brick wall that I've built out of garden retaining blocks. And then on top of the wrists, I just weigh them down with some chain. This I've made out of a sticky tape roll, and I've put some black electrical tape around the outside and some silver studs that were, and the cross that was left over from when I did the original thing. So when I've got Madame Leota, I've got a very small terranium, and I put that on there, and that sort of like finishes off the base of the globe. I bought lots of these. I love these. They're only about $3 each at Kmart, and I bought quite a few of them. I'd say I probably have at least 25. No ghosts, but I've got two tombstones that I found in one of those cheap shops. They were only about $6 each or $4 each. Okay, that's it for that box. Nothing else in there other than orange pumpkins.